So Craig says how to show people that you're saving them time, right? So let's say, for example, you've got a potential client and they're like, okay, I'm interested in AI, but I don't know how this is going to help me. Here's how I would focus on it. So you can ask them how much is their time worth? And then from there, you can give them ideas on like how much each of the automations you offer actually saves them. So for example, if I save 2 hours with an automation, it's a no-brainer to set up, especially when that's 2 hours per week, which leads to 8 hours saved per month. You can also ask them like, how much time do you normally spend on this task? And how liberating would it feel to actually be able to automate that task? This is like a standard sort of discovery question when you're speaking to a client on a new call. The other thing you can do is set up a calculator. So I'll show you an example and I'll quickly go into Claude and show you examples of how to set this up. All right, so here's an example, right? So you can run through you can easily build this in one prompt with a prompt like this, right? And so you can say, okay, so your time is around here, as you can see, and that's per week, right? And so if we automate this, you get this back, right? Which leads to this, right? And then you can clearly show them the results and you can show them how it works, etc. I actually share that with you as an example in case you want to use it. And so that's 4 different ways that you can demonstrate this. Now, if you're struggling getting them on a phone call in the first place, then I would just do more marketing.